Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there were no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. As you see, X marks the spot, and I've got the ghosts of a 5-inch and a 4.5-inch circle approximately coming off of X marks the spot, and down here and on this side, an inch in, you can just see them. Let me zoom in here. There we go. Okay, now you see, I've laid it out for cutting off an inch off of two sides. And this outer circle, let's see the outer circle here, that is my 5-inch. When I saw two of these corners off, I'm planning on keeping this corner and this corner. I'm going to drill holes so I can bolt it to the table of my sherline milling machine. You see the layout. There we go. Dicam. I wish I could say that this was my paintball my paintball proficiency. At first and then I went for the ring. No, it's Dicam steel blue and the dab-on. It amazingly sticks to this Delrin pretty good, and so I'm going to stick with it. Oh yes. This device is called a set of trammel points. As you see, it moves along the bar. There's a longer bar in the case. This is the one that the points are on right now. When you lay this out, swinging these circles, if you're using your common divider, it goes like right, like a compass, but it's 2 points. Unless it locks really good with like a 2-point locking, you don't want to swing these arcs with one of them, you want to use trammel points. As you see here at X marks the spot, really old school layout here. Really old school layout. I'd have my 11/16 hole swung off the point here. My 3/4 of an inch circle swung here. And something like an inch or an inch and a half. Okay. And all these connecting spots for the circles with these two cross lines would be prick punched. The most important being these out here, the inch or inch and a half. As you're machining this, you can swing a divider from these 4 points and figure out, are you over here? Are you here? Or are you, wow, not even looking in the screen? Are you at X marks the spot? I won't be doing that. This is not that finicky. I'm just going to cut off these 2 1-inch strips, knock off this corner, drill these 2 holes, bolt it down, then drill and tap 3/4 16. Then I can swing it on my lathe and do the machining to fit it to my rotary table. Stay tuned. More videos in this project coming. Hey gang, let's talk about suppliers. You're busy. You don't have time to futz around waiting for some eBay idiot to send the material you need for your project. Really? Do you? I don't think you do. So a good rule is always deal with reputable dealers for the stuff you're dealing with. In my case specifically, Wednesday around 2 p.m. I called McMaster Car in Los Angeles, talked to a nice young lady. She said my Delrin would be there the next day. It was. Futzed around Friday. You saw that video, and there's this one today showing the layout. Monday, I'm ordering the piece of tool steel that's going to make the 11/16 hole here for tapping.
Oh, God.